Everyone, this is our project. Our project name is Portable Cooling Device. So we have been working with a good idea that which brings that everyone, while they are traveling the one place to other place, in the summer season we will be suffering with dehydration and sunstroke and some problems, right? So we have came up with the solution by making a new device called Portable Cooling Device. With this device, we can see this two parts. One is PVC pipe, and we will be connecting with the few pipes, and we will be having one battery and the switch connections here, through which we will be using like pelletrate. From the diagram, we can see that pelletrate, and which is a cooling device which will make cool from the outside environment. The remaining part will be continued by my friend.
I'm going to explain the working process of this model. Diagram with this. One is neck part, another one is thermal cooling system. In this, we use heat sink, peltier, and fan, which are joined together to produce uh, cold climate for coolant. And here are two switches you can see here. One is for operating pump and blowers, and another one is for cooling. Here in, sir, should I?
When it comes to the interior part, we can see batteries, and
This is a battery, and this is a coolant tank. This is a coolant tank, and these connections are made with pump, which pumps the coolant from neckband to coolant tank. When we on this circuit, the one is connected for cooling the liquid, and another one is connected to blowers, which takes in intake warm air and makes it cool and send it back to our neck side, and it is where it was. We can wear it like this, and we need to on this pump, so you can see the working. Yeah, you can feel the process.
the cooler will be coming from these holes.
Even from panel.
Okay. Remove it once. Remove. From here we get the outlet of air, cool air. Fans, these are blowers, sir. It take inside warm air.
So if you do practical, how much it will cost?
It costs around 5,000, minimum 5,000, sir. Yeah, yeah, and we can also make smaller compound.
Yeah, we are
We
thinking
can
to
use.
compress all the objects built, so it will take some time and take some money also.
By suffering this summer problems and heat.
Actually, from the first year itself, we are having hanging from the bank. I mean, from the bus, and we are coming to the college. So we are thinking of this thing every day. We are getting sweated and dehydrated. So why can't we make some other devices? So it will be helpful for each and everyone. So we can take this in the market also, right? So we thought of thinking that, and we implemented.
So can you occupy everything with your equipment
Okay.
size in a cap?
Sir,
Yeah, it is
yeah,
literally,
maybe it is possible, sir, but it is just a experiment we done it.
In cap you can wear and
Yeah,
yeah.
we can do that, sir, but it is just an experiment. First time we done, and we came with this. Yeah,
Thank you so much.
thank you, sir.
Ramji.